I'm just like you, you're just like me. There's somewhere else we'd rather be. Somewhere the stars, somewhere the dreams come true. Yes, I am a girl like you.
Good morning. Karong adlaw maligo og pool. As you can see, this is my costume.
First I choose a fabric from the rack and I pin the pattern down.
Not much to talk about today, pero maghimog-ipon kong video. Kaya that's an everyday thing. Kailangan ka mag-create a video every day. Para after 6 months, na ko'y confident nga mahimong artista. Unya, maghimog akong kagaling sa lida. Kaya ba ako di ko ma-hire sa ABS or sa GMA. So maghimog akong kagaling sa lida. Ako'y mag-direct, ako'y mag-edit, ako tanan. And then, muna akong ultimate goal. Muna akong ultimate goal sa akong life. If di ko mamatay, if mamatay na ko, yung ako kubuhatan na mag-goal ko. Pero kung mamatay ko, akaba ko ga-chase ko na nga dream, okay ra, malipay ko. Nga di ko mang-hunt og mga tao. So that's it. Last night, bored gecko, so I started writing again. And I'm gonna read you what I wrote. But ang goal nga na mag-write ko sa ako ang kaninga notebook. Kaya dapat 1 page na siya, walay ka ng erasures, and if masayop ko, dapat na creative way para ako na fix. So basically wala na siya proofreading or whatever. The astronaut. I write letters to the astronaut with my bleeding hands. I reach for a ladder and send it off to outer space. I get to love similes and metaphors. I get to see an inch of the galaxy she dwells in. I write letters to the astronaut, and I remember every word. Nothing perfectly rhymed with the astronaut, but I still love that broken string. I write letters as I fall deeply asleep. I write letters in the darkest of night. I write letters I pretend to send. I write letters the astronaut will never read. Wala ako kay sa point ana.
She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad.
I guess since boring ako adlaw ron, I'm just gonna write. I'm gonna read some stories that I did back then. Nga English man ko. Boring kay ko no. Karong adlaw ambot I just dili ko gana story. So kani kay dated March 24, 2023. The title is The Silence. Wa ko kay ba mag-read tab sa akong gipanghimo kay boring karong adlaw. Okay. Wow, sige ko balik-balik sa akong gisulti wala. Okay, ambot. Today marks 100 years of silence. The world stood still. No birds chirping, no seas sailing. But there is a man. He who could not be killed. His name is Judah. Ambot nga nung nangita ako Bible nga pangan, pero whatever. Judah, the cursed living thing, is on a day-to-day journey of making way for death. Today, 3 poisonous berries. Swallowed them, he did. Sweet, then bitter, then nothing. Wala siya namatay. So basically, si Judah is a man na dili mamatay. Muna yung curse. Why must you do this to me? Let me die! He screamed pointlessly. There was no answer. No wind. No little cracks. The silence was rather deafening. Then, as if an idea struck, Judah stood quickly. He closed his eyes, sat in front of the Dead Sea. Lingkod siya sa Dead Sea. I think I get it now. Death is a gift. Judah spent days asking God to gift him death. The world has nothing for him, and he is better without it. On the 13th day of praying, Judah was still breathing. However, the world breathes with him this time. Nakalimot ko sa point ako ani. Dugay na magud kani. Pero ganahan ko sa idea nga death is a gift because it is. It's the thing that keeps us, it's the thing that wow, wala isa ko to kurang lawa. Death is something makathink ta nga dili na to ma-take for granted in life. Ambot. Basta kanilot na akong thoughts ako na bright ko sa ano.
We have to bend over backwards to get a woman to, well, bend over backwards. That right.
Okay, so this day is a little boring. My energy is a little down. But this is raw. So ganun gyapon ko nga bisan o goal ko. Mag-make gyapon ko raw looking videos. So if goal ko, it would translate here. I'm not goal, I'm just wala energy. So thank you for watching. Weird looking ending.